Hello everyone and welcome to Coding Cart, and our today's topic of discussion is product function from itertools in Python. So we'll try to understand this with the help of few examples, and we'll solve one coding problem from HackerRank. Okay, so let's understand this. What actually this product function does? It will simply give you a Cartesian product of input iterables. Okay, suppose someone is unknown of this product function and someone has asked you to give a Cartesian product from these two variables. What actually Cartesian product means? Here means from each element in A, it will multiply with each and every element in B. Means 1 will be multiplied with 3, with 4 and 5. Means it is making a pair with each and every element in B. Similarly, 2 will multiply with 3, 4, 5. Means 2 will make pair with 3, 4, 5. And it goes with similarly with C. Correct? So, if you are unknown of this product function, what actually you will do? You will simply apply a nested for loop, correct? So let's do this. Here I am using a list comprehension. Okay. So if you are unaware of this list comprehension, please do visit my previous videos on this list comprehension. Okay. So I am taking for I in A. Means for each I in A, I will make a pair with J for each and every element in J for J in B. Okay, I will simply make a pair of I and J, I comma J. Let's print. So it gives the same output as this. This is the Cartesian product, correct? Now here I will do the same thing with the help of this product function. So before this, let's import Cartesian product, this product function. Okay. Now let's see what actually this product function take as an input parameter, correct? In Jupyter notebook, you can see this with the help of shift and tab. One more time, we will just expand it. Here it is taking two parameters. One is iterable type and second is repeat. By default, repeat equal to 1 is taken. Okay, so let's try to understand this with the help of example. Suppose I have one list equal to suppose 6, 7, and I am passing this Z and repeat into 1 by default. Okay, let's take 2. Okay, let's print this one. It is simply printing the address, so let's save it in a list type. Get the list. Okay, so what actually it does is it will make a duplicate of Z, correct? Z equal to 6, 7, and we will make a pair with 6, 6, 6 with 7. Okay, 6 with 6 and 6 with 7. Similarly, it goes with 7, 7 and 6, 7 and 7, 7 and 6, 7 and 7. So what will happen if I am giving 3 instead of 2? It will make a pair with, it will make one more duplicate value of Z equal to 6, 7. Let's run this one. See what it does. It will take pair of 6, 6, 6 for the first iteration, and in second one it will take 6, 6 and 7 over for this 6, and it will move for this. Similarly it goes on. Right? You can see with the help of simple for loop. Now let's try some more example. Suppose I have a list of list. Suppose Z equal to 3 list of list means suppose 1, 2. One more list 3, 4, and one more list suppose 5, 6. So now here I want to get the Cartesian product of Z. Okay, so how we will achieve this one? So simply we will print this. list. What this? We apply a product function, product z. So to get this product function means Cartesian product from this list of list, we will simply apply a star. See, it did the same thing as previous one. Means suppose, forget this one. Means suppose I have multiplied with these three lists. It did the same thing, correct? Means 1 made the pair with 3, 4 and 5. 1 with 3 and 6. 1 with 3 and 6. Or second one, correct? Now, now let's understand few more examples. Now, now now let's solve this HackerRank problem. Okay, this is the HackerRank problem based on these itertools. Okay, so similarly they have explanation what actually we saw here. Now their sample input is they are giving two string separated with space. First line contains a space separate element of list A and second with list B. Both lists have no duplicates integer elements. Okay, these are the constant and sorry there we go. This way. So this is a simple input, sample input 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want just the Cartesian product from these sample inputs. Means our output will be 1, 3, 1, 4. Again with 2, 3 and 2, 4. This is the expected output. Correct? So let's try to solve this one. Here I am using Python 3. Correct? So here you will be given an input in a string. So first of all you have to import this product function. Correct? Now you will be given two input samples. Correct? Suppose first I am taking in a B list, and here you will be given a input in a string. So let's use the split function to split the string. Split, and we have to convert that into integer type. So here I will use map function so that I can convert each element into list. It's integer type, that is string, and then I will convert that in a list type as they have asked. First element will be list type. Correct? This will be my first element. It is showing error, I think. Similarly, it will go with B. B means what actually I am doing here is I will get an input. I will simply split this one string because they are giving a space separated element, means they will pass a string type variable. So I am splitting and converting into int and simply mapping and giving into saving it in a list type. Okay, now I have got these two lists A and B. Now in simple way I can print that value. Correct? Print, you will simply convert this into product type. Product of A comma B. Simple. I just saw example. So let's try to run this one. Sorry, have to convert this into a list type. Now see, their expected output is same as our, but we are printing in a list. Value is printed in a list. So how to remove this bracket from list means how to unpack this. So for this we will use an unpack operator. Correct? We got the same result. So if you are unaware of this unpack operator, how to unpack this list, dictionary or any other iterable, so I'll provide you the link in my description. So let's submit this one. So these are the simple question. Difficulty level is quite simple, correct? So we'll use this product function in a complex code. I will provide that link in my description. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please do give thumbs up. Thank you.